This is the weather forecast video for Friday, April 29th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the cold front off the east coast that brought the severe weather to the south a few days ago, and an upper level system that brought some rain over the eastern counties of the state, and another storm system to the west that will affect us late tonight into Saturday. It's the watch morning map from around midnight. Wind advisory over southwest Iowa. Not seen here. A frost advisory through this early this morning in the eastern counties. Winter weather issues to the west, quiet to the east. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. This shows precipitation will be rather light, if any, over the southern part of the state, up to a half to 3/4 of an inch over the northern counties in northwest Iowa, with heaviest rain well to the south, where they do not need it. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a trough over the northern Rockies down into Colorado and Utah, and another one over the east with a ridge in the middle down below that. Southerly winds will be bringing warm temperatures after a cool start. Readings in the 60s and lower 70s over the west, with increasing cloudiness. By Saturday, here comes the next storm system, low pressure over about International Falls. This will bring some rain, maybe a thunderstorm to the state. Amounts, as I said before, fairly light. Sunday, that moves off. Cooler temperatures move back in. Highs likely in the upper 50s to mid 60s. That'll be just slightly below average for this time of the year. Monday still remains dry with high pressure overhead. This is going to be probably a very good week for farmers to get the crops in or planted. Tuesday still looks dry as southerly winds begin to take hold, with another storm system currently at that point over Saskatchewan. On Wednesday, that storm is now moving off down southeast toward the U.S.-Canadian border. This may bring in a shower Wednesday across the state. Thursday, that moves off. There still could be some light rain or some showers over the eastern counties into Thursday. Otherwise, clearing and still remaining rather cool. Friday, same story. Cool, maybe possibly a cool morning Friday morning of next week, and warming after that. We head off into Voodoo Country. This is May the 9th. You can see a bit of a west to northwest flow aloft with a vortex over the state. Down at the surface, you can see there's a storm system with a low in western Oklahoma. That could bring some rain, a thunderstorm or two. Severe weather, too early to tell at this point. And at the end of the forecast period on May the 14th, big trough over the western part of the country, but it's split flow aloft with westerly winds over the state, and at the surface it looks rather muddled. Some warmer air, some rain, but as you know, when you're looking this far in advance, things will likely change. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.